I've been exploring the Me at Walmart mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Me at Walmart is a workplace app created mainly for Walmart associates in Canada, with a few features that also help people interested in learning about the company or applying for a job. It's designed to bring several day-to-day tasks into one place so staff can manage their work life more easily on their phone, especially if they are regularly on the sales floor or in the back room. Customers or job seekers can use it more lightly to explore Walmart's culture, benefits, and career opportunities. At its core, the app focuses on time and scheduling tools that matter in everyday store work. Hourly associates can clock in and out for their shifts and meal breaks while they are in the store, see their punch log and full punch history, and make corrections within the current pay period when needed, which helps reduce trips to a manager just to fix a small error. Schedules are accessible directly in the app, so associates can check upcoming shifts, swap or offer shifts, pick up unfilled shifts, and submit availability changes, which is especially useful for people juggling school, family, or a second job. However, the score is pulled down by a relatively high share of one-star reviews, showing that a sizable portion of users are frustrated with some parts of the experience. The presence of very short negative feedback, like a one-star review that simply expresses frustration without details, suggests that some of the dissatisfaction may stem from bugs, performance issues, or moments when the app does not work as expected during a shift. With that kind of rating spread, the experience can vary considerably between stores, devices, or versions, and improvements and bug fixes in recent updates are likely an ongoing effort rather than a fully solved issue. Overall, Me at Walmart is a practical, purpose-built app that brings together scheduling, timekeeping, communication, and store performance information for Walmart associates into one convenient place. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.